Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting both devices ready and connected physically and online. Plug the HDMI cable from your Xbox into the Fire TV or into the TV if using Fire TV as an app host. Once done, power both devices and sign into your Xbox profile. Make sure both are on the same Wi-Fi network so streaming and remote features work. Also check for system updates on Xbox and Fire TV. Keeping firmware current prevents compatibility issues and speeds up the next steps. Next, install and open the Xbox app on your Fire TV. This could be Xbox console streaming or the Game Pass app depending on your subscription. On the Xbox, enable remote features and game streaming from settings so the console accepts connections. This allows your Fire TV to discover it. Sign into the identical Microsoft account in the Fire TV app. Once authenticated, the app will search for your console over the network. Make sure both devices stay awake and connected while pairing. This is the crucial middle step. Finally, choose your console from the Xbox app on Fire TV and select Stream or Remote Play to begin. Pair an Xbox controller by Bluetooth or USB. Once paired, input should be immediate and video should be smooth. If you see lag or no connection, reboot the Fire TV and Xbox, confirm both are on the same Wi-Fi, and that the Xbox is set to allow connections. One key troubleshooting tip: temporarily connect both devices to the router with Ethernet to isolate wireless problems before changing other settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.